Mental arithmetic number 25. Are you ready? 7 plus 8 plus 9. Multiply that by 26. And add 1, divide that by 25. And then subtract 7, subtract 2, and subtract 1. Multiply that by 15 and add 15. Then divide it by 16. Subtract 2 and multiply that by 7 and add 4 and divide it by 5. Subtract 15 and multiply it by 2, multiply that by 2 and multiply it by 2 again. And add 1 and divide it by 3. And the answer is 11. This mental arithmetic starts off very easy, but very quickly also it gets tough when you have to multiply by that 26. But if you remember that helpful hint when you have two numbers in the same decade where the units digit add up to 10, then you can use that hint and multiply the two numbers very easily. So let's start. 7 plus 8 is 15 and add 9 is 24. Multiply that by 26 gives you 624. And add 1 is 625. That's the perfect square of 25, so if you divide by 25, you get 25. Subtract 7 and subtract 2 and subtract 1 is the same as saying subtract 10, which gives you 15. Multiply that by 15 is 15 squared, which is 225. Add 15 is 240. Now, think about this way. You just had 15 times 15 and you add another 15. That's the same as saying 15 times 16. So if you divide by 16, which is the next number, you're left with 15. So that's where we're at. Now subtract 2 gives you 13. Multiply that by 7 is 91 and add 4 is 95. Divide that by 5 is 19. Subtract 15 is 4. Multiply that by 2 is 8, and multiply that by a 2 is 16, and multiply it by another 2 is 32. Add 1 is 33, and divide it by 3 gives you a grand total of 11. How did you do?